Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write a comment on the X app. Now before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app, and then if we find the post that we are especially interested about, we can tap on this little chat icon on the bottom left corner of the post, and here we can just reply to the post, write whatever we think. We can even add some pictures, some GIFs, maybe a poll even, and yeah, this is how you reply to a post on the X app. So for example, if you want to reply to another one, just tap that again and write whatever it made you think. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.